Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Welcome to the film session. Carling Black Label final, Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Gallants 0. Congratulations to Amapagania. Match has been ukuthi badliwe, umona ufuneki. They won. Best team in the country. Right? Umona ufuneki siyababongela. Second trophy in the season. Going back to the game, I was not impressed by both coaches, right? I think they just showed the inexperience abanayo. Coach Marumo Gallants not 28, guys. 28 years. Think about it. 28 years. I think maybe he's the youngest coach to reach a final. Then he coach a Pirates. I don't know why ungacalanga ngoHoto. Uhoto is the most important player, but he is the most underrated player ku Pirates. And he's a very key player. He's a key player for me because he does things into that no one else in the team, whether he is playing on the left or a guy playing on the right, he does a lot of things for the team. I'll show you. Marumo Gallants, I was not impressed with the coach. You waited until the Pirates ikora, and then you made a substitution to attack. Why didn't you make those substitutions in 80th minute? 80th minute, then you go and attack. If you get a goal, then the game is over. But the guys still have legs even if you go extra time. But now, Pirates yakora and then you make substitution. I was not impressed by that. But I'm going to show you everything, right? What I'm impressed though is both coaches, they are very good. Or let me say they are good coaches. I'll show you what impresses me the most about Marumo Gallants, right? Now let's start. I'm going to show you their shape when defending and their shape when they attack. They do something that Pep Guardiola used to do. He has changed now. He doesn't do it this season, right? So now this is the right back. This is the back four. This is the midfield by 4. So this guy was normally playing here by 5, right? I'll show you in other instances where I'll show you another part where by 5, right? But now, what I was saying, Hoto should have started the game. This space here, let me take it back. This space here, this space, Hoto was going to utilize it very well. Very well. But they won the game, but you can't just criticize Gaku, right? Now watch. This is the right back. So remember I said Guti binds are something that Pep used to do. So the right back, when they have the ball, the right back goes into the middle, right? He's here in the middle. He's there in the middle. But what I don't like about Marumo, they just play the ball. They keep the ball in there for no reason. Here's the right back now. He's in the middle with this guy, the number 6, yeah. But now I'm a 6i2. When they have the ball, this is when they have the ball. Now he's in the middle, but they just. When you keep the ball, guys, you have to have a reason why you keep the ball. If the ball goes to the right, you know it's okay. Sifuni space there. If it comes back, we want a space. Caesars here, Pambi. In this passing, they're not going anywhere. 10. Look, he's not even turning. Sbuele move. Almost lost the ball. Okay, the ball is still ours, right? Okay, sharp. What's happening? They keep on playing. He goes back. Untapu goes low. He doesn't turn, he doesn't scan, he doesn't do anything. We still have the ball. Are we going forward? They don't know what they are doing. They're just keeping the ball. Look what happens. The ball goes for a throw in. That's what I'm not impressed now. Yes, the structure in terms of defending, and then when they have the ball, they're tucking in from the right back. That's very good. But Masia Pambili, yes, we're keeping the ball, but patterns of play, sibavula kanjani. I know some people saying Guti Pirates being ayidlalanga kahle or gamnandi or the way that they usually play. Yeah, it's not their fault. This team, this guy Wemarumo, hey, is very good. This coach, their defensive structure, was to close down the Pirates in the middle, so that they don't play passes in the middle. Just watch. Look how many players are there. Press. When it goes to the midfield, we press. Let me take it back to show you when Umbata had the ball, we go and press. We press him. What happens? Uzobuyele Scottin. Not Orlando. He goes back to Scottin. Now look at this 5. Remember I said Guti, there were moments where the midfield became 5. This is one of the moments. But again, if you had Uhoto bekazoyenza that run over there, young told. That's why Pirates couldn't really play. They needed to have aggressive passing. Keep the shape. Now watch. Here, they don't know which Bayenzi. Must I go? Must I stay? For me, this guy was supposed to come close here, right? Because what happens? Umbata takes a shorter goal. Let me take it back, Nick Bonis. They are caught in two minds, right? The midfielders. They are caught in two minds. He doesn't know to press or to mark Umfuke. Remember, Pamile, just to close down the passing angles. These guys bangal end up doing what? Taking a shot. It's not their fault Guti Pirates couldn't play. Imarumo Galad are well structured. Imarumo is a good team that plays the ball, but they don't create a lot of chances. The only way for me now that I picked up that Guti Bangakorangayo was playing ball to the wingers. If you go to my preview video of this game, I did say they're gonna play the ball to the wingers, especially to Clifford, which is their weapon. They didn't do that. This is the only way that they could have scored, playing the ball to the winger. Let me show you another clip. They can keep the ball. They are not scared of playing, but they're just not lethal. They don't have that killer instinct. They don't create a lot of chances. The midfielders, they move a lot wide. Should have taken a shot on target. We won. No pressure. If you watch most of their games, they don't play with the target man. Undlondo plays as a striker or as a false 9. That's why they'll play the balls to the wingers. 2 instances in J bar wide bar. But they didn't do that enough. I know Guti, that is their strategy, but they didn't do it enough. All their midfielders except this guy. This guy is the only one who stays in position. So all their attacking players, they are free to move around. You have to be a good player to do that. Yeah, winner. Because Imaruma is a well-structured team, ne? Most of the time by five, like, as I'm a midfielder, the midfielders. The Pirates had to play aggressive passing. Ningasabi, asengubo. They did it. Let me show you when and how they did it. You have to play aggressive. You need ball players here. Not people who are going to play one touch, two touch. No. Sometimes you need people who are going to carry the ball. Take 1, 2, or 3 touches. Eh? Aggressive passing good. Siyalifuna igoli manje. Asengubo siyangena. 1, 2, 1, 2. Eh? Now I'm going to talk about something that I talk about or I show you every game, that Tina, we like to do unnecessary mistakes, unnecessary things, right? If it's your first time watching, guys, ngikhuluma ngalento le njalo, unnecessary things. Yeah? There's no need, as asikho isidingo. I always say, yes, okay, sharp. Sesibuyele emuva bekuyi-throw in yethu. Now, look at the goalkeeper. Murena Jesu mara bafethu mara. Mara uzosikhipha emalini mara, yazi. Imagine minute number 3. Usikhipha emalini. Now let me show you what's wrong with this thing. What's wrong with this? Let me take it back just to show you what is wrong with this. Okay, the ball is coming from the left-hand side. Keeper. Now, are you gonna play? Let me stop. Sharp. Ne? If you're going to play the ball, if you're a team that likes to play the ball, ne? You have to have a goalkeeper that uses both feet. You can't have a goalkeeper sebenzisa inyawo. Siyabaza abo left ke futhi basebenzisa inyawo laka left. You can't do that because now he's being played under pressure. Now look at the first touch. Ultrapa go right and the ball is there. If the ball is there, it means now you must pass it there. Or if you have time, then you can do what you wanted to do. Uljigise bese uyalipass. But if you was good with both feet, you trap the ball with your pin. It's in the middle. Then if it's close there, you pass with your right foot. There. Then thing is short. You see where the ball is. He can't pass the ball. He can't pass the ball with his left foot. If Belime Pagat, he uses his right foot, he goes back because he can see which okay, by pressure. It's closed there. It's open this side. Now he wants to turn one left. But when Zani, uyalikhahlela ngamapin. Ulikhahlela ngamapin. Not every goalkeeper is good playing the ball or using their feet. It's only Rowan Williams. You must watch him when the ball comes. He sometimes when I saw a khahlela ngo left. Yeah, if you don't believe me, watch Bafana who AFCON. Here is another unnecessary mistake. Diagonal pass. They don't mind doing this, Pirates. They don't mind. Okay. Kick the ball. Mfana git. Why bekanga khahlela ibhola? He still wants to hold the ball. We are in the box. Kugcwele lana, it's crowded. It's month end. Kugcwele post office. Khahlela ibhola ngaphandle. Why? Unnecessary. Abafethu nizokhipha emalini man. Second half, guys. Second half should have started with the Pirates leading by 1 goal or 2 goals, right? Now I'm going to show you how not to defend. Right back, and you have someone who is skillful and who has pace. This is not how you do it. Pirates made substitution here at time. bafaka uMuremi. Muremi I'm gonna show you two clips where one he should have scored. You can't as a right back, ne, give someone time and space who is skillful, who has pace. Ne? And these two, a good team, Buffett, a good team that defends very well. They also communicate very well. One of them was supposed to take Umakhopa lo azumkhapha. Look how much space. Umvulela. You can't uvulela umuntu to a side kakhulu where he's strong at. Ukhahlela ngo left this person. Yeah? Ukhahlela ngo left wenzani wena uyamvulela. No. Another clip of how not to defend. Yeah? In this clip as well, there's a part where unnecessary things. In my room, I think they were just playing for penalties because look at the time. They didn't bebangakafaki their weapon, ne? Which is Nyamkosha, this guy, the striker that abamfake second half. Now watch, ne? This guy's gonna play the ball here, which is a good idea, but now push the ball. He wants to kick the ball first time. You are not in control of the ball. Ne? This is a good this thing. It's a good way of keeping it throwing. Normally, a number 6 would be here, but he stands here to open up space. Let me take it back, Gangan. Normally, a number 6 will stand here or stand here, but they open up for the space here, Gutal Pasela, and then it's a good way of keeping the ball. Let's keep the ball. Okay, sharp. Let's go. We lose the ball. Now, communication. He is supposed to come out. You don't give width. No, you don't give width to someone ozokshiya food. Eh? First touch, second touch was bad. Muremi. Second touch was bad. Like I said, Buffett, you're a right back. You need to know the player you are playing against. He's got speed, he's got pace. You have to be tight. Not too tight. It's not too tight at all. But you must never give him the space. Guy two, cross. Come on. Communication. The goal of the game, right? The goal of the game. If Uhoto was not playing, this goal wouldn't have happened. I said Guti, he's the most underrated player Orlando Pirates. Let me show you why. But I'm going to show you the goal. But before I show you the goal, let me show you something, right? I got this clip. I got this on YouTube, right? He came here last year. Orlando Pirates versus Kaizer Chiefs. Sorry for the poor connection. This is Uhoto. Watch Uhoto. Watch Uhoto. Watch Uhoto. Watch Uhoto. Pirates scored in this game. If it wasn't for Uhoto, his movement off the ball, the Pirates wouldn't have scored this goal. Let me show you now the final. Nyapinda Futi, guys. The most underrated player for Orlando Pirates. Without Uhoto, this goal wouldn't have happened. Without Uhoto, this goal wouldn't have happened. I'm not saying Pirates being a Gikor, but being a Gikor so. Watch this guy. Watch Uhoto. Watch Uhoto. Hoto. Bafethu. Bafethu. The most underrated. Yeah. Yes, I understand. Akekho mnandi, akekho delicious. He's not good on the eye, right? But there are certain things that he does that no one else ozenzayo ku Pirates or even ku PSL. Just think about it, Undaba plays on the left, but you'll never see him running phakathi nendawo or making a run afuna ibhola from the winger. Ne? If you look at the right backs as a Pirates, you'll never see them running bangena phakathi nebhola or looking for the ball. Uhoto akekho mnandi, but he's a special kind. He's a special kind of a player. Now, the funny part about this goal is, if you look at Marumo the whole game, or the unnecessary mistakes that they didn't want to pass the ball or pass the ball long, right? Or cut the ball long. They didn't get punished for that. And it now they got punished for doing what? For trying to play the ball long. Trying to play the ball long here. Abantu bakuphi bagcwele on the left hand side. What does Hoto do? Hoto. Look at the space. You don't think he's sure. You don't give people space. There's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 guys. There's 2 Orlando Pirates players here. Why is he there? Ukijime wayo. Bafethu. Hoto. Yeah, baby. They were lucky the Pirates, but they deserve to win the game, because for me, they were the only ones trying to score, looking for options, looking for ways to score a goal. Right now, thank you for watching. Do the right thing, score a goal. By scoring a goal, please subscribe, please like, please share. Nyabonga. Thank you for watching.